All right, guys. So my daughter just told me that she wanted to shoot. She want to record a video so that I will edit just like the way I used to edit. So I told her, "Are you sure?" She said yes. I said okay. So I had to mount my phone on my tripod. Then I asked her, "Oh yeah, start doing anything." So she started jumping and started folding her hands, stretching out her hands, and trying to do some magical gestures like that. I said, even me said I was surprised to see her do all of these things. But I wanted a situation where she will even give me an empty background so that we used to edit this thing. I was even trying to tell her, move away from the scene. So that is where I got this point. So that's how she got the video. So now I want to edit this video right now. So I need this empty scene. So that's why I'm going to freeze. I'm looking for the freeze option right here so that I will be able to get this particular empty scene. So now I've gotten the empty scene. I have to switch it. Understand? So it will be at the beginning of this video. So for you guys that enjoy this video and you want to create something like this, you need an empty scene. So now after bringing it to the back, I have to overlay this one here, the main clip where she is there. I bring it as an overlay. Understand? To become the second layer. Then I will tap on this other one here and delete it because I don't really need that side again. You get my point? So now you tap on this empty scene and drag it, extend it to the end of the video. Make sure it gets to the end of the video. So guys, hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Please like and share and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. You get my point? So now how to record this video? At first she started jumping. So I will have to tap on the second layer from where she's jumping. You get my point? From where she's jumping when she's still in the air. So I will tap on the second layer, tap on split, then I will delete the beginning of it. Understand? I just want her to be landing. Understand? I don't want to show when she started jumping. You get my point? So I will split and delete the beginning of this second layer right here. Something like that. So follow it step by step. You get my point? So guys, we are going to be using more of Capcut effect and black screen effect. You get my point? So just stay tuned and follow the video. So from this particular point where she jumped, understand, and she landed. So what I want to do right now is from this point, she's stretching out her hand to bring out the fire because I want to add fire here. You get my point? So I will split from the part she landed. Then from this other part, she is trying to stretch out her hand. So I will have to split again. You get my point? Then this other part here in the middle, I will tap on it. Then I will go and look for effect. Click on effect. I'll click on body effect. So clicking on body effect, you are going to select, let's select one of the effects here. Let me select this one. So it will be something like this. You get my point? So I hope you are following. So you're going to click on OK. Let's get back. So the video is going to be something like this when she stands. And it will come to this other part. So from this other part where she's stretching her hand, that is where I want the fire effect to come in. So at this point, I'll bring in the fire effect. You get my point? So guys, it is a black screen effect. You get my point? So I will have to remove the background. So to remove the background, you will have to tap on the effect layer, then click on splice and click on filter. So once you click on filter, the background will be removed. And from there, you can place 2 fingers on your screen and make it small. Just adjust it, make it small, so it will get to the size of the hand. You get my point? So you need to know how to position it so that once the hand is stretched out, the fire effect will be able to come in immediately. So you do the adjustment just like what you see me do here on screen. You get my point? Now move it. Just move it to where the hand is, something like what you're seeing right now. So to make the effect to appear just like magic. Understand? So I'll click on animation. So I'll click on animation, then I'm going to click on fade in. So look at fade in right here. So I'll click on fade in, and at this point you can click on OK button. Let's get back to work, or you do the adjustment. You can reduce it or you increase it to either 0.8 or 0.7, or you can leave it the way it is. You get my point? So this is how the fire is going to appear. You get my point? So it's now left for you to do the positioning and make sure you position everything well. I'm just trying to take my time to explain this to you guys so that you understand how to create this type of videos. You get my point? Like I said, it's more of effect, Capcut effect and black screen effect. So we just brought in a black screen effect and we've already added the Capcut effect I was talking about. You get my point? So let me just use this medium to tell you, if you want to learn how to edit from scratch, guys, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp. You get my point? I'm going to teach you everything. So you add keyframe on the fire effect. Add keyframe at the beginning, you move the video a bit. Where the hand is going to, you move the fire to that hand. Keyframe will be added automatically. So that is how you are going to do to add keyframe to the rest of the patch where the hand is moving. You get my point? So you keep on adding it bit by bit, step by step, till you are able to get it. You get my point? So when you are done, this is what you're going to get. So I believe you like what you see. Wow, that is nice. You get my point. So at this point, we will have to add the smoke effect. Understand? We will tap on add overlay. Now bring in the smoke effect. You get my point? So this is the smoke effect and we are going to apply it immediately. So it's still a black screen effect like I told you guys. So you still go to splice and remove the black screen, the background. You get my point? So you need to turn it to how you want it to be, and guys, you are good to go. You get my point? So that is just it about the black screen effect. So I'm just trying to explain all of this so that you will understand. You get my point? So guys, after adding the smoke effect, the next effect we want to add is called Vortex Dissolve. You get my point? That particular one is here on Capcut. So now I want to set where I want that effect to be applied. So from this part where this character is about to fold his arms, somewhere here, I want to set it somewhere here. So I will click on split. You get my point? Then I will move it to this part that she has already folded her arms. You get my point? Then I will tap on this particular middle layer. Then I'll go to effect. Then click on body effect again. Where is effect? Click on body effect. You get my point? So you are going to select, just scroll down. You are going to see that vortex dissolve. You get my point? So just keep scrolling, keep scrolling. So look at it somewhere here. I just clicked on it. You get my point? So I will tap on the OK button. So look at the effect right here. Look at how it is. You get my point? So that one is done. So now we need to add another effect. This point where the character just opened the hand. Understand? You know, the character needs something to come up like an explosion. So what she did right here is at this point need to go back to effect. Go to effect, click on effect, then still click on body effect. So we see this butterfly what's that? Butterfly dream. You get my point? So we select this butterfly dream. So that is where you get this particular effect you see here. You get my point? So at this point she tried to use her eyes to command some certain things. So you get my point? So this one we want to use lesser light. You get my point? So we're going to tap on this part where we want the effect to be applied. Understand? So from this part here, I'll tap on it, go to still body effect, you go to effect, then click on body effect. You get my point? So guys, all of these things, the particular part you want to apply this, you need to split. Just split that particular part that you want the effect to take place. You get my point? And before you can now tap on it, then you go to the effect and go to body effect. Then you will see that the effect you are looking for. You get my point? So let's look for that eye effect. Let's look for that effect. So look at the effect here, electric eyes. So when you click on electric eyes, this particular effect, you can do some adjustment. So you can tap on the adjust to change the light, to change the color, or to change the distance, to change whatever you wish to change. So I'm going to do that right now. You get my point? So I'm going to select all of this and set it to how I want it to be. So you can decide to allow your own to be using yellow light, green light, blue light. All of these things are still part of the effect. So to beautify, to make it good, so you can change it from range. You can anyhow you want to play around with this particular part, guys. You are good to go. So when you are done with all of this, because I don't want us to stay long on this, you can now tap on the OK button. You get my point? Let's get back to work. So guys, I believe you like what you're seeing and you enjoy the tutorial. And if you want to be getting more of this, make sure you like and share and subscribe to this channel. Turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update like this. You get my point? And if you've not started your channel, please make sure you start your channel now, because I want us to grow together. You get my point? So when you click on OK, just tap on OK again, and let's get back here. So at this point, I don't want the video to be long, so I will just find somewhere here and split and delete the ending part, because the video is already getting longer. You get my point? So maybe from this part here is where I will split and delete, because I don't want to add other things to it. You get my point? So I will just tap right here from this particular part somewhere here. I will just set it here, split, tap on the layer, then I will split, then I will delete the ending part. From there, I can decide to add another effect at the end. You get my point? But guys, this is how the video was made. You get my point? This is how it is done. So if you follow it step by step, even if you do the same thing she did, you'll be able to get the same result. Or if you want to twist it, you want to change your own format, but follow the same method or apply the effect I'm applying, again my point, you will still be able to get to this particular point. So that is just it. So at this point, the ending part of this second layer shows that she has disappeared. So you can decide to add your fire effect, then you export your video to your gallery. You get my point? So guys, if you're looking for Capcut Pro for Android phone, please, for Android phone, just DM me on WhatsApp. You will get my link in the description of this video. So I'm going to send it to you so that you'll be able to be editing your videos and exporting your videos. You get my point? So without wasting much time, so see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.